Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Say goodbye to boring office webs and hello to a creative workspace with these game-changing die cubic decors ideas. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some fun and creative die cubic office decor ideas to transform your workspace. First up, let's add some personality to your cubic with a die corkboard. Grab a plain corkboard and some fabric of your choice. Simply wrap the fabric around the corkboard and secure it in a place. Now you have a stylish and functional way to display your notes and the reminders. Next, you can see that creative and the cute desk organizer using empty tin cans. You can paint the cans in your favorite colors and patterns, then stack them together to create a unique storage solutions for your pens, pencils, and other office supplies. Another great idea is to make a personalized photo wall using a mini cloth pins and the twins. Hung up your favorite photos, inspirations, quotes, and the artwork to make your cubic feel more like home. And finally, don't forget to add some greenery to your workspace with a die, sunshineers, and the terrorism. All you need is a glass contain some amazing plants and a little bit of a soil. This will not only bright up your cubic but also improve the air quality in your office. You can see that different amazing things. I hope you enjoyed these die cubic office decors ideas, and you can amazing things, and you can adjust the different chairs and other things that is necessary for your office, and the different greenery and the plants you can add for enhancing the beauty of your these cubic and or decors in this office. This type of office you can made up and the plan in your home also. You can see that amazing creative ideas. I hope you enjoy these cubic office decors ideas. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channels for the more creative die projects. See you next times and amazing with amazing ideas. You can see that and you can subscribe and comments because your comments is very valuable for me. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channels.